First possession, mapupunta sa Alba. Here's the beginning. Wala. There's a loose. Save ball. We have 14 to shoot. 14 on the shot now. Fires. More fires to six. Pass it off to the floor. Easy. Number 11, pass to number 0. Number, oh no, lupas. Kaya lang, may violation. Turnover na yun. Wala mo pupunta sa side ng Delta. Wala pa po ng record sa ating first quarter. Number 1, pass to corner. Number 13, wala, hindi ko ba yung number 5. Third. Number 13, pass number 0 to number 11. In the middle, floater. Pass to number 11. Reyes. First point of the game goes to jersey number 11. Now fires for by their number 3, that's number 29 in the middle, behind the pass, check for by their number 3, pass goes to number 1, lays it up again, 2 points for jersey number 1, 4 to under 9. Calma fires, 3. Down to 1 lead. After the moment, dito na Delta. Remaining 5 minutes and 55. Number 1, pass number 1. And the pass number 9. Sets for 3. Wala. Ibang. Pass number 11 to number 14 to shoot. We're going to number 1. Was a field. Zach's 2 points. Change the board. Isa na ang kalawang dito ng Alba. Sa ang remaining 5 minutes and 15, the Reyes will be shorts. Dito pa yung number 4. Pass number 11. Sabili again, pass. Ikaw, space. Tira, una pa rin. Therapy Yugoslav advancing 14 on the shot clock. 10 2 points minus number 1. Again, change people to the side. Also put that down. Then that number 0, the corner, James, looking for his teammate. Pass to number 33, 14 to shoot. That, they go by number 5, back break for Reyes, number 11, Reyes. Lays it up, too strong. They go by number 33. Pass to number 0, number 0. Pass to number 11, to number 1. After that, they go by number 0, Field we shot, too good. 4 minutes exactly para sa first quarter. Now, 14 on the shot clock. Here's number 1, cross. Stop and shot. Wala, ito ba yung number 0? Pass break to Zedilla. Lays it up, too short. Ito ba yung number 1? Pass to Reyes, number 11. Reyes cross. Lays it up, it's good. 2 points by jersey number 11. Reyes. Check, we go by just 0. Pass to number 13, Lee. And shoot. Loose ball.
No.
Turn.
No.
Team ball. 10 on the shot clock. Number 33, 2 points. Number 33. Our score is 7-11. Lamang dito ang kunan ng Delta. 14 on the shot clock. Number 1, 2 points. Number 0, attack in the middle. Now passing down for jersey number 0, followed by jersey number 5, pushing down. Those will be given to jersey number 0. Possible three-point play if he wins it. Our official score is 10-13. Tatlo, lapangan ng Delta. Ang madagdag ng pasok niya ito. Number 13, fires, that's the lead. 3 points by Julian. Number 11, pass to number 29. That's for 3. Pass, 3 points, down to 3-point in the game. Keep Delta. Pass number 1, Mejia, Reyes. Reyes to number 4, up to Reyes, 10 on the shot clock. Mejia, 2 points. Number 33, Tirgo. Good. Good for number 11. Good back. Walang kaya. Number 33. 2 points. Down to 3-point lead. Again. Reyes. Dive. Check point. Pass to number 29. Deep 3. Back.
Grabe lang. Lalang sabi yun ha.
1 minute exactly. Deadlock sa 18. 55 seconds. 50 seconds. Number 11. 40 seconds. Number 4, 2 points. 34 seconds. 30 seconds. 24 seconds. 20 seconds. 2 points by jersey number 1. 14 seconds. 10. 5. 2.
No. 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 Pampatong no. Pampatong na ito, tinan mo.
And our official score is 18-24.